14 minus 10 equals 4 and 14 minus 10 equals 4 and 4 times 4, which gives us 16. But this answer is not correct because according to the PEMDAS rules, we must do first the parentheses, then the exponents, the next step multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right, and the same for addition and subtraction. Okay, let's start our solution. In our problem we have this subtraction and this multiplication. Also we have these parentheses. By following the PEMDAS rules, first we must do these parentheses, after that we do this multiplication, and finally we do this subtraction. So first this parentheses, we have 14 minus 10, which equals 4. Now our problem became 14 minus 10 times 4. So we must do this multiplication first. 10 times 4, which gives 40. Now our problem became 14 minus 40, which gives us minus 26. And this is our final answer for this problem.